Today we're going to learn how to create project, package, and class folders on Eclipse. You go to File, go to New, and say Java Project. And now I need to just name this as however I want and just say Finish. And you say Don't Create for now. Now you should be able to see my package. And now I will go to Source, again click New, and now I will create my package, which is Basics. And this has to be all lowercase. Right after my project appears right there, again I need to go to click New, and in this case I need to create new class. And this class, remember, the Java project class has to be initial letter has to be capital, so I'm gonna just place animals. And then I want to have the root for the Java installed. When I say click, and it is automatically installed. So my package is right there, Basics, and my class is animals. Now whatever I type here, I'm gonna just see the variables. Let's keep going from right here. Now press enter and say system.out.print line, which is in the parentheses, and then I want to just copy this and hit enter, control copy paste, and I want to just type here in quotation mark, double quotation mark, dogs will bark as woof woof. And I'm gonna go to my second statement, and I will say cats will make a voice out, meow meow. And when I just say Control S, which is Control Save, it is automatically saved. And when I say run, the bottom perfectly my code is working. Now let's assume I want to just have cats to be removed. I need to just place / again, Control S, which is save, and you're gonna see the cat part is basically disappeared. And imagine you have a different type of animals. You are just placing all of them here. Let's say there is a line, couple lines. So you need to, if you want to block all of those, you need to just say / and asterisk, and then right at the end first asterisk, and then you have the /. So this will basically block those all lines, how many lines you have here, it doesn't matter. Let's say you have 10, so you will block all. But if you use only 2 / 4 slashes, so it will just block only the line, only the existing line. So Control S, and when you run it again, you're gonna see only the dog. Let's say you are just deleting this, and you come up here, you say / and asterisk. So again, Control Save. Now you will see both. So at this point, let's keep going with some integers. So integers are variables, and for those types of variables, we can keep going with assigning a letter first. Let's say it has an A, so you give 5 to that integer, and integer again, you have B, assume it is just 2, and you have semicolon again. And right after that, if you say sysout control space, it will automatically print it. So what you want to do, you want to have A plus B to be printed out, and let's see if we can make it work. Let's run the program, and right there you can see 5 plus 2 is going to be 7. Assume we have A equals 7. We are assigning a letter, actually a number, to A. So A was 5, but now let's take it 7. So in this case 5 will be blocked, and let's run it. Now it will be 2 plus 7, 9. So we are basically blocking this 5. And again, assume you are changing A equals to B. So in this case, when you're running the code, and your answer is going to be basically 4, because A equals to B. What was B? It was 2. So 2 plus 2 is going to be 4. If we remind the Java rules, the text class names, it has to start with a capital letter. So for this one, animal cannot start with a lowercase, it has to be uppercase, just like right here you can see A is uppercase. And variables, it needs to be camel case right there. The reason we place as a camel case is more readable to us. If we keep going with the rules, we can place any letters from A to Z, or even lower cases, and even any numbers from any numbers, we can use them. For symbols, we can use only the 2, which are underscore and also $sign. We cannot use the others. And Java names or variables, they cannot start with any numbers. We cannot place just like that. However, we can do as just trials 8. Numbers might come after the letters. Let's see if you want to delete any package or any folders. You go to refactor. After you right click, if you want to just delete, or if you want to just rename your package. Let's go to refactor one more time. If you want to either rename or move to another different folder.